For a long time, I believed that solid analysis was the key to successful trading. I spent countless hours studying charts, researching strategies, and perfecting my technical skills. But everything changed after a single trade, driven by emotion rather than logic, wiped out nearly my entire account. That experience made me realize that knowledge alone isn't enough. Emotional discipline plays a crucial role in trading, often making the difference between long-term success and devastating losses. It was a hard lesson, but one that reshaped my entire approach to the markets. There were days when a few successful trades made me feel unstoppable. That confidence led me to take bigger risks, convinced that the market would keep working in my favor. But the reality was different. The market changed direction, and my gains vanished almost instantly. This experience taught me that trading is about much more than analyzing charts and numbers. It demands discipline and the ability to manage your emotions, especially when things don't go as planned. Looking back, I realize how valuable it would have been to have someone guide me through those early challenges. Trading can be challenging when you try to navigate the markets on your own. By joining a community, you gain access to valuable trading signals, proven strategies, and guidance on managing risk effectively. This support can help you make more informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Being part of a group also allows you to learn from the experiences of others, enhancing your trading knowledge over time. Consider connecting with a trading group to benefit from shared insights and a supportive environment.